Let's go, Detroit! Let's go! Hey, race to 10. Saka minus 2.5 dahil dyan, Detroit, pare. Uy, kapit yun ah. Ang inainawakan, walang foul. Kahit inulit na lang sana yung jump ball eh. Good day, good day. Good day, good day. Good day, pare. Uy. Uy. Uli. Nice, Osar. Bisa talaga sa depensa si Osar. Duncan Robinson. Bitawan. Bitawan eh. Hindi niya nasalok agad ng maayos eh.
Well, Boston's going to have to take care of it. Detroit doesn't need any help getting out there on the break. Certainly the Celtics a little bit fortunate there. Duncan Robinson has been on a heater.
Dyan, pare. Switch.
Better production from three-point range as of late.
Goodie, goodie. Naku, shooter yan. Ay, patirahin nyo na si ano, Jaylen Brown. Huwag na yan si Sam Hauser. Basket tayo, basket. Duncan Robinson. Nice one. Look! Ungkap si Duncan Robinson ah. Oh, buka po. Tutok na tutok. Nice one. Good day. Oh, 3v2 ah. Ipad na. Nice. 3-2. Alright. Pensa ulit. Dalawang steal na kagad yung Detroit oh. Sayang lang yung mga tira ni Duncan Robinson. Tungkab eh. Hindi makapitalize yung steals eh. Yari ka kay Cade pare. Yari ka kay Cade par. Switch Cade. Ina mo Cade. Di pinabayaan mo si Tobias Harris. Wala namang depensa yan. Umira pa ng 3. Nice! All five! Let's go! Race to 10! Detroit! 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 Isang one-stop tayo. Switch! Ang taas to na. Oh no! 7-5? Cade, ikaw na kaya Cade? Cade, kumuha ka ng bola, tanga! Bawi. Nice one, Duren! All 7! All 7! One shot naman tayo, pre. Hindi natin sila mapigilan sa offense nila. Patay. Patay! Inang Detroit to. Nagpasibak sa race to 10. Panalo nyo na lang yan. Dirakid!
Cunningham plays at his own pace.
Duren. Panalo nyo na lang yan, pre.